If you want to protect the posts on X, formerly Twitter, and keep them visible only to approved followers, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it. This is a simple privacy setting that can help you control who sees your content, which is especially useful if you want a little more privacy on your account. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom or near the side menu, click More. This opens additional account options and settings. From the menu that appears, click Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage your account, privacy controls, and safety preferences. Next, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains the controls for your audience, media, tagging, and account visibility. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, click Audience, Media, and Tagging. Here you'll find the option that controls whether your posts are public or protected. Now look for Protect Your Posts and toggle it on. When this setting is enabled, only your approved followers will be able to see your posts, and new followers will need your approval before they can view your content. That means your replies, posts, and account activity become much more private than a public profile. After turning it on, take a moment to make sure the settings saved properly. Once it's enabled, your account is now protected, and your posts are no longer visible to everyone on X. If you ever want to make your post public again, you can follow the same path and turn that setting off. And that's it, you've now protected your posts on X in just a few clicks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to video.